Improving our cognitive skills can make everyday life easier. This video explains how. Do you find it hard to reproduce the rhythm of a piece of music that you have just heard? Your auditory memory might be playing a part. The memory helps you memorize sounds and their characteristics, such as volume, tone, and pitch, to then be able to interpret them or match them with an object. Human language is incredibly rich and allows us to pass on information as well as emotions via the tones of the voice. Your auditory memory will allow you to memorize these different characteristics to know if your interlocutors are happy, sad, or angry, just by listening to their voice. For instance, when a friend calls you and says, "I need to see you," you can find out if he's angry, sad, or happy. This will allow you to react in the right way. You understand the importance of auditory memory. You can exercise it with sound check and try to recognize the sounds that you hear.